Okay, I'm at Swamp Meet. A lot of tables out. There's Joe, that's who got me introduced to all this stuff. What's your name?
Ed.
Ed?
Yep. How you doing?
Yeah, my channel's Surf Blue. I got comic books, I got sports cards.
Oh, really?
Now I'm getting, I used to collect Hot Wheels. I used to have Chevron. That is cool.
So you have a shop or something?
No. I'm too poor. When did you start? When you were little?
No, well, I had some when I was little, and then I started collecting probably 96, I think.
96? Oh, okay. I wish I had my old stuff. Ooh, cool. Monkeys. How much are these? $1?
They're all marked.
Oh, okay. I like this. I was just at the card show and now I'm here. This is Oakwood area. That's cool. Hey, you don't mind watching my... Okay. I'm going to look. Okay, thanks. Ooh, Partridge Family. Did you see anything in there? No. Right here, this gentleman. No, this guy right here. How much is that?
4.
Both pieces. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Tell me, is this metal or what?
Die cast.
What animal?
Sitting on top of it, yeah, yeah.
There's some nice looking cars. Okay. Not a bad crowd, so I was just showing you a little bit, and now I'm going to start looking. So, beautiful day. Surf's up, hang loose, enjoy life.